number 1. Candidate number 2, hi, come here. Hi, in her pink and green gown. Hi. Is your mama and papa here? Nadiri yung mama papa? Ah, wala. Asa sila?
Trabaho.
Ang trabaho, night shift? Ah, night shift. Sige lang, ina lang. Hi, mama, papa. Okay, here's your question. Every day, your parents will give 10 pesos as your allowance. One day, it happened that they cannot give you any centavo or any amount because their money is enough for the fare in going to school. Nasabot kayo, Bisaya? Nakasabot kayo sa yung question? What will you do? Ang saan imong buhaton? Ingon si ma'am. Kada adlaw pila na imong balon? Ay, Gis. May paka-Gis. Okay. Gis, imong balon. Kaya ingon si mama one day. Nak, wala dyan ko'y kwarta. Para na dyan ni Titi. Ang saan man imong buhaton? Ering. Palit na lang ering. Palit na lang ering. Ang saan man imong buhaton kung wala kay balon? Hindi na lang ako balon, palit na lang ering. Dito ako lang ering? Ay, bahala wala snack. Basta, na ering. Bahala gutom, basta gwapa. Oh, siyempre. Okay. Thank you. Here's your question. Bahala na gutom, basta gwapa. Okay, candidate number 1. Hi, conversation. Hi. Okay, here's your question. Your birthday is approaching. Your mother promised you to give you a birthday party. But your mother told you that she cannot give you a birthday party. She will cancel it because you have financial problems. What will you do? Ingon si mama anak, ini birthday ni mo, mag-party dyan ta, Jollibee party, na mascot, na lechon, na mula fried chicken, tanan-tanan, na mga giveaways. Yan, ingon din si mama na, wala man iabot ang ato ang remittance, ikan daddy, wala pa man iabot na delay, wala dyan tayo kwarta. Dili ta ka birthday party, sa man mong buhaton din.
Okay lang.
Okay lang?
Oh.
Ano man?
Wala may money.
Wala yung money, so dili na lang mag-Jollibee party.
Oh.
McDonald's na lang.
Oh.
Okay, thank you very much. Candidate number 1. Are you fine?
Fine.
Okay. As fine as a refined sugar? Ah, yes. Here's your question. What would you do if you see 100 pesos in the street?
I'll give the money to the beggars.
Ah, beggars. Why? Kanang Pilipinas. Why?
To buy food.
Ah, to buy food. Ang bibi. Beggar man food. Ah, okay. He will give the money to the beggars. Okay, thank you very much, candidate number 2. Okay, judges, so those are our candidates for the little Mr. and Miss. You may now rest for a while, kids. Mr. and Miss BPLC. Chan tararan.
Dong.
We have... Okay, here they are. Candidate number 1 for Miss BPLC and candidate number 2 for Mr. BPLC. Parents, please come up on stage. Teachers, please assist the parents. I'd like to request Sir Jonard to please announce the Mr. and Miss Popular. Mr. and Miss Popular. Please announce. We'll have Best in Production Number. Mr. Little BPLC is candidate number 2. Mr. And Miss BPLC Best in Production Number is candidate number 1. Hey parents, please come up on stage. They are the best dancers during the production number. Best in jeans attire. They look good in their jeans attire. Best in jeans attire for Mr. Little BPLC is candidate number 1. And Best in jeans attire for Little Miss BPLC is candidate number 2. Parents, please come up on stage. Mr. Little BPLC Best in Sports Attire is candidate number 2. And Miss BPLC Best in Sports Attire is candidate number 1. They look good in their summer wear. Best in Talent. Mr. BPLC Best in Talent is